Hi friends, our story is called Sea, Sand, Me. She looks very happy to be at the beach. Pack up the beach bags, load up the car. We're going to the beach. And here we are. Flippy floppy sun hat, wiggly waggly toes. Mommy rubbing lotion on my nose, nose, nose. Pail and shovel, dig, dig, dig. Jump in, Dolly, jump in, pig. A pig at the beach? Oh, must be a stuffed one. Beach day, sun, sand, sea. Gulls squawking, squawking, talking just to me. These are the gulls. Somebody's coming, spoon in hand. We make a great big sand castle in scritchy, scratchy sand. Seashell toenails, seaweed hair. Lifeguard laughing, it's great in his great tall chair. Sand in our belly buttons, sand in our pants. We're jumping in the water and dance, dance, dance. We jump, jump, jump in the curly whirly wave. Cold water doesn't scare us 'cause we're brave, brave, brave. Beach day, sea, sand, wee. My friends and I are splashing in the swishy, swashy sea. Lunchtime, lunchtime, cookies, lemonade. We flop on our blankets in the shade, shade, shade. We climb on the rocks, see the starfish on the shore. There it is, a little minnow swimming in the big fish bone. We bounce our beach ball, put shells in our pails, wave at a boat with our big red sails. Shadows on the sand now, sun hanging low. We pack our beach bags, home we go. Beach day, wish we could stay. Hope I see my friend on the next beach day. Hope you have fun at the beach, friends. Bye.